let me show you how to perform hearing test on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So yep, with these earphones, if you actually place them in your ear, go in a very quiet place, you can actually test various sounds and it will essentially like give you output of how good is your hearing for both of your ears and also what problems you have. So for example, I just did a test and this is for example what mine looks like. So see, for my right ear it's absolutely excellent, so like totally spot on. But for my left ear, I even have like tiny bit of problem hearing the higher pitched sound. So see, basically, yeah, it's not as good as on the right ear essentially. So you can easily test this. So if you want to do that, so you are going to, yeah, basically first, if you have a Samsung phone, you simply go in your phone settings and you can launch the settings of them here. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you can download the Galaxy Wearable app to do it. Okay, so let's enter here, and then in the sound quality and effects, we want to enable this adapt sound option. So make sure this is enabled here, click over here and you see you can actually adapt the sound basically of these earphones, especially for your hearing especially. So you see, obviously as you age, basically the higher pitched sounds will become like harder to hear. So personally I'm 35 at the moment. For example, if you look at this, okay, so you have to actually place them in your ear. So I'll show you just what it looks like. For example, okay, so if you click here, so this is what the normal chart looks like for someone my age essentially. So you see, I'm actually much better than the average person here. So you see, it's like way down on all of these. If you, for example, check for someone like under 30 years, so you see, personally, I'm even like tiny bit better than most under 30 years when it comes to hearing. And generally, yep, my hearing is actually absolutely excellent. So, and yeah, also, for example, if you're over 60, I see it even like decreases further here. So yeah, and if you want to test it, you will have an option here. I have already done it, but you simply click here, you will see an option here. Also, you can click setup again. And yeah, essentially what you have to do is you have to go in a like very quiet room and listen carefully for these beeps that the earphones make. And if you can hear the beep, simply click yes. And again, listen and simply confirm if you can actually hear it or not. If you can't hear it, click no, I can't hear that. And again, depending on your answers, essentially, so you see the test is actually quite long here. So simply click through it. I won't do that. Again, it takes quite a long time. So yeah, you can essentially use these earphones to test your hearing as well. And based also on those results, you can also set this specific like sound adaptation for your ears. So the sound quality will be the best possible that you can get, especially like tailored for your hearing capabilities. Okay, good luck.